Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Xcode in macOS. For that, guys, type Xcode in the App Store. You'll get like this. Click on Get, click on Install. So you may need to enter the username and password of our Xcode. So it will start downloading. So yeah, as you can see here, it is starting to download Xcode for Mac. So now you can see Xcode has been installed, downloaded and installed. Click on open here. So it will ask you for the license agreement. You read the license agreement, the entire license agreement if you want. I'll click on agree. So it will ask you for the password. So it will ask you what and all you want to download and install. So you can see this is by default selected built-in. If you want extra things, you can install it here. So I'll click on download and install. So it will install system components. So what's new in Xcode? It is also downloading the predictive code for a computation model. Let me click on continue here. So it will ask you for the project, what is the project if you want, or you can open an existing project, etc. This is how you can download and install Xcode. The version which I've installed is 16.2. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.